Hey, Mr. G here, and we're going to be going over the G7 open chord. Now the G7 open chord, this is what it looks like and sounds like. And the G7 open chord is made up of G, B, D, and F. G, B, D, and F. E string with a ring finger, and that's our G. And then the next note is on the 5th string or A string, and with a middle finger we'll play that B. And then the next note is on the 4th string or the D string. We'll play that open, and that's a D. Then the next note is on the 3rd string or the G string, and we'll play that open. That's a G. Then the next note is on the 2nd string or the B string. We'll play that open, and that's a B. And then the next note is on the 1st string or the E string, and we'll play that 1st fret with our index finger, and that's an F. And when you put them all together, this is what it sounds like. And you want to practice strumming that, practice the individual notes till you get it down real clean. Again, that's your G7 open chord. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep on jamming.